Welcome to our deep dive into FlipDrive. If you're considering using FlipDrive as your primary cloud storage solution, this review will guide you through all the key points to help you make an informed decision. FlipDrive is a cloud storage service that allows users to store, manage, and share files online, accessible from any device with internet access. In this video, we'll explore its strengths, weaknesses, costs, and usability, so you can decide if it fits your needs. First up, let's look at the main features. FlipDrive offers a range of storage options to meet different needs, including file management, online file sharing, photo storage, and secure data storage. FlipDrive's interface is user-friendly and supports both personal and professional needs. You can organize your files easily with folders, share files directly through links, and access them from multiple devices without hassle. One of the platform's key selling points is its ease of use and simplicity in storing and sharing files, making it great for users new to cloud storage. However, like all services, it has some limitations. FlipDrive's free plan offers limited storage space, so if you're planning to store a large number of files, you'll likely need to upgrade to a paid plan. Speaking of pricing, FlipDrive's plans vary based on storage needs, and they're priced competitively. Now, if you're looking for a long-term storage solution with a one-time fee, here's a great option. Buy 10 terabytes of cloud storage forever, no annual subscription, at the link in the description of this video. Security is another essential aspect of cloud storage. FlipDrive offers basic encryption to keep your files safe, but it's worth noting that it may lack some advanced security features provided by other competitors in the industry. So, if enhanced security is a top priority for you, make sure to consider this aspect when choosing your provider. Overall, FlipDrive is a solid option for individuals looking for a straightforward and affordable cloud storage solution, especially for personal use or light business tasks. The ease of access and sharing functions make it ideal for those just starting with cloud storage or users who don't need highly advanced features. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews and insights.